Hi, friends. All the recommendations I'm going to give you in this video have been tested right here in the workshop where I am. So don't worry, there's a solution for this. For example, you're driving your car at night and suddenly you get the message. The first thing you might think is, no way, a bulb burned out and I didn't even notice. But the truth is, the vehicle could be detecting any irregularity in the lighting system, not necessarily that the bulb is burned out. This message works as a preventative alert. Basically, the car's letting you know that something isn't working properly in the headlight circuit or even in the sensors that control them. According to the mechanics here in the shop, the most common cause is a bulb that's about to fail or has a bad connection. This often happens with the low beams, daytime running lights, or even the high beams. Changing the bulb is usually the quickest and easiest solution, and many times the warning disappears right after. So don't panic. That's the first thing you should jack. But keep in mind what I'm about to tell you. It's not always about the bulb. A lot of experienced mechanics here have told me that this message can also show up when the battery is weak or when the terminals are dirty or loose. Headlights use a lot of power, and if they don't get a stable voltage, the module thinks there's a problem. In one of the interviews I did with one of my clients, he told me that after cleaning or tightening the battery terminals, the message disappeared like magic, just like that. Another pretty common problem could be a loose or corroded wire, or a light control module that's starting to fail. A lot of people here checked everything and made sure the bulbs were in good condition, but the warning kept showing up. Crazy, right? In the end, the problem turned out to be a poorly connected wire or a loose fuse, just like you heard. Unbelievable, but true. This shows that sometimes the message doesn't mean the bulb is burned out, but that the electrical system detected some kind of anomaly. And if that wasn't enough, some mechanics here assure me that the alert can also show up after heavy rain, a pressure wash, or exposure to moisture. Water can get into the connectors or the control module, causing erratic readings that trigger the warning. In these cases, the solution is to dry and protect the connectors and then reset the system so it works normally again. In more advanced models, there's also the possibility that the automatic headlight sensor is malfunctioning. This sensor is responsible for deciding when to automatically turn the high beams on or off. And if it doesn't work properly, the system can display an error even if the headlights are in perfect condition. So the solution would be to replace or recalibrate this sensor so the message disappears completely. But wait, if you want to avoid problems like these in your car, I recommend watching this video that's shown on your screen. It's going to help you a lot.